Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is a special 30A edition of The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
You do not want to go away for this one.
Beachy Beach.
Yes, thank you. Heather, this house in Seacrest, oh my goodness, there is nothing out there like it right now. It is 5 bedroom, 5 bath with a balcony on multiple levels.
Front, back, both levels. Gorgeous.
A beautiful pergola, a little outdoor living space in the back with a screened-in lanai.
And what's really great is there are no neighbors behind you.
Excellent.
It's got just the foliage and you're nice and kind of private, even though you're in Seacrest.
Awesome. Yeah, it's nestled in a section of Seacrest that actually makes it very convenient. You have multiple access points to get
30A.
On and off 30A.
Yes.
You're close to Rosemary Beach, you're close to Alice Beach, all the different areas you can take advantage of, the dining, the shopping, the farmers markets on Sundays.
Biking, walking,
all the
get
things.
there.
You can take the tram, the Seacrest tram, to the beach as well. This home is a knockout. Heather, tell us some more things about the home that you loved.
The interior is not only modern and updated exactly as you would expect out on 30A, but the design and the decor is just precious. One of the bedrooms actually has a pirate ship bed.
Shut
Seriously.
up. I want it.
Pirate ship bed.
It's
and then the
adorable.
other 2 bedrooms, there are 2 more bedrooms that are cute and young and beachy. And so it really pulls in the whole family.
And does this home come furnished?
Absolutely.
So
Comes
it's
furnished.
ready to go, turnkey ready.
Adorable.
And the projections for a home like this are very good for rental income.
Yes.
So if you wanted to have it as your private residence, if you wanted to have it as your beach getaway, or if you wanted to make some money, then it would be perfect for you. And you get the amenities of Seacrest. So you're getting your community pool.
Yep.
And all the things that come with that, and that tram ride
It's
to
perfect.
the beach. It is absolutely perfect. And it's priced competitively in that kind of 1.4 ballpark.
Yep.
So if you are interested in this gorgeous beach getaway in Seacrest, don't let it get away from you. Give us a call today.
So for more details and information, look in the description below. We've got the link to the live listing and all of the information that you need to make a decision on this adorable house.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any videos like this one. Make sure you ring that bell.